if you want quick access to things, then what you can do is you can create shortcuts. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here in File Explorer right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to create a shortcut to this download folder on my desktop. So what I can simply do is I can right click over here and click on create shortcut right here. If you're using the home version, you can go to more option and you'll have this option to create a shortcut. So if I were to click on this here, it says you cannot create a shortcut here, but the shortcut will be placed in desktop instead. So you can go around and press yes, and you can see the shortcut is here. So if I were to double click, then it opens up the download folder, as you can see right here. So let me just close this around right here. And let's say I want to create a shortcut to an application that I have right here. So I'm going to go to C drive right here in program files. And let's say I want to create a shortcut to this application right here. So what I can simply do is I can right click and click on create shortcut right here. So it says it cannot create a shortcut here. Do you want to place it on desktop? Say yes, and you have a shortcut right here. So if I were to double click on this application, it opens it up directly, as you can see right here. So another way that you can create shortcut is by actually going around and creating a shortcut by right clicking on a folder itself. So I'm just going to go around on the desktop itself to show you the example. Then I'm going to go and right click, and here I can click on new right here. I can go on new right here, and then here you can see shortcut is an option. So once you choose this, what happens is that the create shortcut dialog box opens up, where you can choose what you want to link this new shortcut to. So you can click on browse right here, and then you can go around over here onto any drive right here, and then access out any application over here. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then let's say I'm going to create a shortcut to Firefox application right here. Press OK. So now the path has been connected, as you can see. So you can press next right here, and then you can name out the shortcut over here as well. Press finish, and there you go. You can see that I can create a shortcut like that as well. And that is how you can create shortcuts so that you can easily access out applications or folders within Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.